Hi everyone, welcome to our first tutorial on how to make your own play and learn activities. We use these activities in Character Montessori to help the children develop different skills like hand-eye coordination, pre-number skills, and also to help them with their attention span. Without further ado, let us start our first tutorial on how to make the material move the ducks. To make these materials, you will require a plastic container with 8 small compartments and 1 large compartment. You will also be needing 1 pair of small tongs and 8 small ducks. Needless to say, you don't necessarily have to use ducks, you can use whatever that is to your child's preference. So, how do you go about doing this activity? Firstly, open up the container and pick up the small tong in the large holding space. Using this small tong, move all the ducks from the small compartments into this large holding space. It is important to note that the child shouldn't use his hand and should only use the tongs. Once done, use the small tong to move the ducks back into their small compartments from the large holding space and put the small tong back into the holding space. Make sure that your child puts his material back to where he got it from, and don't forget to give him a high five.
High five!
If you like this tutorial, do subscribe to our channel as we'll be posting new videos on how you can make different play and learn activities in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye!